Hey, it's TT, also known as TT the Manager, and welcome to my Instagram Tips and Tricks for Artists and Creatives ebook course. So, a little bit of background about the Tips and Tricks ebook and how we got to where we are now. I am a marketer in some form or another for nearly 20 years, and I've been around and using these apps since the beginning, since all of them were born, since they were all here. And so for me, it's easy to navigate digital marketing. It's easy to navigate these social media apps. And I saw people they were frustrated because their accounts were getting banned. They were getting their accounts restricted. Heard the word algorithm thrown around, all of these conspiracy theories and urban legends and discussions and back and forth, and no one really knew what was happening. And also on top of that, there were the regular everyday digital marketing questions that people had, social media questions like, how do I really set my bio up? I understood this and I knew this, so I'm a marketer and I'm a trainer by nature, so I love to help. Let me put together a sheet of tips and tricks. I made a tips and tricks and I put it out and I let people look at it. And it was the people that used the tips and tricks really loved them. Fast forward to a couple of years until a couple of months ago, I put it up on Issue. I put it out on digital media, in digital media. I put it out, and then it was well received there. And now it is part of my Level Up course. It's available as a live webinar, a live series that we do in the Level Up series of courses that I have available. But I thought I get a lot of questions from people asking about how I'm training and how it's teaching. Is it techy? And I hear that apprehension from my followers about whether or not this course, how I teach is techy. And I understand it because a lot of marketing, there's a lot to it. It's already confusing enough, and then there's the jargon that we have, and then there are the instructions and the way that people train and teach. So I decided to give this sub-module, the live webinar that you get with Level Up. I decided you have a bit of a sample as to what my training style, what my teaching style is like, and at an affordable price. That's not the price of a full course. You get a sample, a bit of what I'm teaching, how my teaching style is, if it's right for you. You get some tips and tricks. There's wins all over the place. But enough about the background. Let's talk about the course itself.